Hey, so this video clip that I'm about to show you is basically the first little promo trailer for the company that me and another couple boys are getting started, basically giving aftermarket drivetrain solutions to the side-by-side sector so that they can pivot, do those front digs, do those front burns. As they're starting to really push into rock crawler territory, they need to be able to disengage those rear wheels and pivot. And so far they can't, but that's what we're bringing to the market. So most of the clips that you're about to see in this little trailer are off of like a Polaris Ranger. We do have some solutions for that more utility-focused stuff. And then we're about to be able to sell some of the little bit heavier duty solutions for ways on the X3s and the Razors, and hopefully the KRXs soon, to be able to pivot as well. So enjoy the trailer.